everyone, today I'll show you how to make a felt maze on a quiet book page which will not be bound. So you will need prepared page. This one was prepared using hemming method. Mesh fabric, which should be larger than the page. Felt detail of a maze. I'll show you how to cut this detail manually. Cabochon or flat back bead threads. I'm going to use metallic silver threads. And wonder and hemming clips. Print the template and cut it out. To cut the felt detail, you may use regular adhesive clear tape or scotch tape. I'm going to use double-sided adhesive tape. To do so, stick double-sided adhesive tape on the back side of your template. I'm using 1 cm wide tape. Peel off the backing paper. Stick the template onto felt. Tape down narrow edges using regular adhesive clear tape. Cut felt with craft knife along the edges of the template. Also, you may use manicure scissors with curved tips. First cut along inner edges of the template and only then along the outer ones. Peel off the template. And stick back a backing paper. This template can be used as many times as you wish. A mesh fabric on the page and first put a bigger bead under the mesh fabric to increase a volume under it. Secure mesh fabric with wonder clips and stitch down along the edges of the page, approximately 1 cm from the edge. Remove a big bead and place cabochon for the maze. Trim off the excess of the mesh fabric along the seam. Lay felt detail over the mesh fabric and secure it with the clips. use metallic threads, you must loosen tension of the upper thread. Cut a felt circle approximately 3 centimeters in diameter. Using a hole punch tool, make a hole inside of the felt circle. Place it over the thread, and this felt circle will not let metallic thread tangle. Stitch down felt detail with a triple stitch. There is a regular thread in the bobbin, the lower thread. First, sew along the outer edges and only then along the inner edges. Pull metallic threads to the wrong side of the page and tie knots. To get the free patterns, click on the link below. You will find the patterns for the page, which is 15 by 15 centimeters, and for the page 20 by 20 centimeters. This is it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.